Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has approximately 210,000 miles on it and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a red interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a 350 cubic inch engine. The truck features power windows and locks, along with air conditioning. Although the AC currently does not blow cold air, the heat works properly. Like many older models, it shows some typical wear, including a faded roof and rust in the rocker panels below the doors. However, the interior remains in excellent condition, with no cracks in the dashboard, and it even has a fairly new set of tires. The headliner has been replaced, and aside from that, the current owner has only driven it a handful of times. Despite its age and mileage, the truck still drives solidly, straight down the road, and gives the impression of being a dependable classic workhorse.
Number 2.
1986 Ford F-150, price $5,500. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by the reliable 302 V8 engine. Finished in gray both inside and out, the truck features manual locking hubs, and the 4WD system works exactly as it should. Despite showing some rust, it remains impressively solid where it matters most, including the floors, rockers, bed floor, cab corners, frame, and wheel housings. As a popular bullnose era F-150, it makes the perfect candidate for someone who wants a truck they can drive daily while restoring at the same time. In fact, it continues to run and drive reliably, having been used often as a daily driver. This Tennessee truck has been solid since new, benefiting from recent maintenance and upgrades. It received a new battery, radiator, and heater core last year, along with a new front gas tank, pump, and sender.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This pickup is a unique truck, actually a GMC fitted with a Chevrolet front end, giving it a distinct look and appeal. It shows 235,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, paired to a built 327 engine that delivers strong performance. Despite the mileage, the truck runs and drives very well, shifting smoothly through the gears, and the air conditioning system still works exactly as it should. The exterior wears its original red finish, and although it could use a fresh paint job to really shine, the body presents itself as a solid foundation.
Inside, the truck continues the red theme, with the interior remaining in good overall shape for its age. Comfort hasn't been overlooked, and the cabin feels well kept and ready to use.
Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1984 Ford F250, price $7,000, presents itself in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, showing approximately 150,000 miles. Under the hood, it carries a dependable gasoline-powered 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it both easy and enjoyable to drive. The tires and brakes were replaced not long ago, adding extra peace of mind for its next owner. The current owner had originally planned to fully restore the truck but relocated out of state before completing the project. Even without a full restoration, this F250 already offers a strong foundation, combining classic looks with reliable performance. It comes with a clean title in hand and is ready to continue its journey with someone who values the durability and timeless appeal of a vintage Ford pickup.
Number 5. 1986 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. This long bed is a true old-school classic that has had only one owner since new. With just 61,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in exceptionally clean condition. The truck comes equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission paired with a strong 5.0L V8 engine, delivering dependable performance. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it captures the authentic style of the era. Factory air conditioning adds comfort, while its 2WD setup makes it ideal for cruising. Remarkably, the body is 100% rust-free, a rare find for its age, and it comes with a clean title in hand, ready for its next owner. Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,950. This truck is a two-wheel drive pickup with 230,000 original miles. Powered by the 5.7L V8 and a 4L60 automatic overdrive transmission, it runs, shifts, and drives great, starting instantly every time with no smoke, knocks, or warning lights. The exterior wears its original two-tone blue paint, showing typical fade and clear coat issues on the hood and roof, but the body and bed remain rust-free and clean. It rides on original aluminum wheels with like-new tires, While the rear bumper has a couple of dents, inside, the gray cloth interior is in excellent shape overall, with clean carpet, seats, and door panels, though the headliner needs replacement. Features include power steering, power brakes, tilt, cruise, power windows, power door locks, cold AC, heater, and CD player. Recent updates include a new grille and headlamps, tail lamps, battery, alternator, exhaust, plus vent visors and bed caps. The brakes pulse slightly but stop well, and the truck still carries its original spare.
Number 7.
1986 Ford F250, price $10,000, powered by a 351W V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features 4WD, making it capable of handling both highway drives and rugged mountain terrain. The truck comes in a white exterior with a tan interior and is equipped with heat, air, and a Bluetooth radio for added convenience. Partly restored 3 years ago and redone since, the truck has been used regularly for trips from Chattanooga to Ocoee, Tennessee, as well as runs out to a mountain cabin. While it's not a show truck and shows some flaws such as minor dents, or around the starter, carburetor, and windshield trim, turnkey vehicle that starts every time and pulls strong. It rides on durable 10-ply tires and has had major work completed within the last 3 years, including a redone rear end and transfer case.
Number 8.
1985 GMC 1500, price $3,500, shows 85,000 miles and is powered by a 305 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and wears a tan exterior, while the interior remains in decent condition for its age. The truck does have the typical square body rust in a few areas, but the frame itself is solid and structurally sound. Over the 13 years of current ownership, it has been carefully maintained and driven with care. The seller is the third owner of this pickup, which has proven to be a dependable classic.
With its combination of a strong drivetrain, honest presentation, and a well-preserved interior, this GMC 1500 stands as a solid example of a mid-80s square body truck. Number 9.
1970 Ford F250, price $4,500, finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It presents a clean and cohesive look. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering both strength and ease of use. The truck also features power steering and power brakes, making it more comfortable and practical to drive compared to many trucks of its era.
Running on gasoline, it starts easily, drives smoothly, and stops as it should.
With a clean title and timeless styling, this F250 is not only a solid driver but also a great candidate for preservation or light restoration, offering plenty of classic appeal for enthusiasts and collectors alike.
Number 10.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $4,500. The truck features a two-tone cabin body with a beautifully faded shop name still visible on the bedsides, adding to its vintage charm. A custom engraved bumper further enhances its unique character. Structurally, the truck remains solid in many of the right places, including the floors, firewall, and roof. As expected with a vehicle of this age, it does have rust in the usual spots such as the cab corners, rockers, and door bottoms, but nothing unexpected for a true survivor like this. Currently, the C10 does not come with an engine or transmission, leaving it as a perfect blank canvas for a new build. The truck is being sold with a clean title, and delivery can be arranged for an additional fee.